Are you tired of boring, text-only Discord channels? Learn how to add custom emoji icons in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just 4 simple steps. First, open Discord and navigate to your server. First, head over to Discord. Now, hover over the channel you'd like to customize and click the gear icon that appears to open its settings. In the settings, click on the channel name text box. Then open the emoji picker using Windows key plus period on Windows or Command plus Control plus space on Mac and choose an emoji. Once you've selected your emoji, just click Save Changes at the bottom, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.